Oh, what's happening with the gimbal? Yo, YouTube! So, change of plans. We're not doing a Mini Cooper review anymore. What we're doing is, we've got a big, absolute, oh! We've got a big horn. So, we've actually changed the plan. Oh, this gimbal's really fucking me up. Bear with me. So, what we got is, we've got the induction kit for the Golf MK7 art. Look at that, it's a big tray. So anyway, what we're going to do is we'll go over a quick review on the car. Well, just have a quick glance at the engine bit. I don't know where this is going. Meh. And then what we'll do is we'll get that installed step by step, show you guys how to do it. See you later. So this is the standard air intake. So what you need to do is you've got T25 here, another one just down in there. Sorry about this, I'm getting used to the gimbal. I think we've got to undo this little clip, and then at the back there is a normal Jubilee clip that should come off. Then we can put the big horny pipe on, and then we'll get back to you once we've got these bits off. Ciao for now. So it was as simple as that. Disconnect the Jubilee clip down there, obviously all the little torques, and pull this little rubber tube off. Once that is all off, all you have to do to get the air filter out is just be careful with this bit here. So obviously we possibly might have to remove that to get this actually out. But all it is 1, 2, 3 rubber like pull joints. Anyway, what we're gonna do is quick start up to hear what it sounds like without the any of the air system. Yeah, go on then. As you can hear, that is a massive difference. So hopefully this air filter kit should make it sound like that pretty much all the time. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll keep you updated with the install, and we'll see you guys shortly. To mount the actual air filter pipe on, you've got to attach this rubber grommet thing. Yeah, that needs to be screwed up into this top hole up here. Either one, well, it has to be this one actually because it's got a bracket for it. And then we've got to put that on. Got to put that on, and then you put like another nut and washer that side, and then something else goes on there. Yeah, nut and washer done. So that attaches that to that. Obviously we've got a reducer that brings that into the turbo inlet. It's our problem is getting this bit attached at the minute. We're having a bit of dramas with it, but once we get that on, we'll come back to you. So finally, after about an hour and a half's worth of work, we've had to drill this bit out because obviously eBay special things, fucking the hole's down here, and you know what I mean, we've had to drill it out. Anyway, nice and secure, a bit dirty now, but we've put all the rubber trim on. We've got to make sure we put that onto the new, this bit onto the new pipe, put the standard like air guidance, whatever you call it, back in, so that keeps it nice and secure. All done. Rubber grommets, you have to drill them out because they're only probably like 6mm. You need to drill them out to about 10mm. Anyway, put the connector on. We need to put Jubilee on there. That goes on there. Obviously that needs to go on there. Nut and bolt on this side. That little pipe, boom, onto there. Air filter on, done, secure. Anyway, we'll come back to you once that's all done. Quick update. Absolutely solid. So we put the little pipe on. We've got that nut there, which was we dropped down the side of the car into the wilderness, and we had to use the scissors to take it out. Anyway, 2 Jubilees on. That's on. That's on. Solid as a nut. That's on. All we've got to do now is mount up the missing air filter. The absolute special fake ram air, not fake. Totally not fake. That lives on there, and then boom, it's a bit small, very small. But anyway, we'll put this on and then we'll get back to you in a second. Final piece is going on 10 years later. Go as far as you can. Do the absolute disaster. This is the actual only part of the spanner bit that we've actually got as well. Is that it? That's on? Yeah. Tighten her up, you. All that, just for that. Going for the first start up. So yeah, as you've seen and heard, that is a quick install. Probably not the best install on YouTube, but yeah, Mark 7 Golf R air intake, looks beautiful, looks a lot better. We're going to get a different air filter though, make it a little bit bigger because it looks a little bit cheap, but sounds massively better. Just do a quick little rev. Yeah, definitely makes the car sound a lot better. Anyway, we'll follow you on to the next video, guys, and we'll see you all soon.